here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new tablet mount on your Ranger 1500. If you already have our Ranger 1500 wireless phone charger, this will be a very quick install. You'll simply turn your ball knob to disconnect your wireless phone charger from your mount plate assembly. You'll slide your wire out through the grommet and you'll simply mount your tablet mount directly on the ball swivel. Once you have that in position, you can go ahead and remount your mount plate in the vehicle. You can always tuck your wire on the vehicle from your pulse bar up onto the mount plate. If you ever want to switch back, it'll make for a nice quick transition. We'll go ahead and get this mounted up in the vehicle. We'll go to the next step. If you don't already have our Thumper Fab wireless phone charger, the installation process is pretty simple. You'll simply mount your base plate using the 4 number 8 screws. This base plate will have your ball mount that you'll tie your tablet mount to. Next, we'll go ahead to the vehicle and mount our mount bracket to the dash. You can see this D is marked for the driver's side of the dash. We'll also have a passenger bracket that'll be marked for the P. With our tablet mount securely fastened to our mount bracket, we can go ahead and set our mount bracket in place. We'll go ahead and use our small Allen head screws to loosely fasten the front of the bracket to the vehicle. Once we get those all snugged down, we can go ahead and screw in the 2 Phillips head screws that go in the rear of the bracket. You want to go ahead and snug these all the way down before you screw in the Phillips head screws so that you know your mount bracket is in the correct position before you drill the Phillips head screws into the dash. We'll use our drill and a Phillips head bit to fasten the rear of our mount bracket to the dash. And with your last 2 fasteners tight, you're ready to mount your tablet to the arm. You can adjust it to whatever position you'd like that fits your riding style. Make sure it doesn't hit the windshield when it's closed. You're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab tablet mount for your Ranger 1500.